250 years. To every American who served, and to everyone who came before us to build this great nation, thank you. We stand on your shoulders. For most of those 250 years, America built with steel. So let's take steelmaking apart. Ingredient 1, iron ore. Rust-red rocks from the Minnesota Iron Range. Rocks that already want to be metal. Ingredient 2, coke. Coal cooked at 2,000 degrees until only pure carbon is left, the fuel that makes the iron move. Feed all that into the heart of the operation, a 100-foot blast furnace. This tower is a chemical bomb we control. Blast in 3,000-degree air, and carbon rips the oxygen right off the iron. Out the bottom pours the hot metal, molten iron, glowing white. That hot metal is still brittle. Tip it into a basic oxygen furnace, blow pure oxygen through it, and 20 minutes later, steel. Now add the flavors, manganese, chromium, nickel. Same steel, endless personalities, structural, stainless, high strength, tool. Pour the finished steel into a continuous caster. Molten in the top ting, solid glowing slab, red hot, walking out the bottom. Then rollers squeeze the slab like a rolling pin, thinner and thinner, into beams, rails, plates, and sheets.